Good evening. We are going home, traveling home from work to the house, of course. So the day is finished again on a Monday. How is your Monday? So, ayan, as you can see, medyo ma-traffic kasi uwian. And medyo, maulap. A little bit cloudy area. Wow, ang daming ibon. It looks like it may rain. Daming ibon. So, dito tayo dadaan sa area na hindi ma-traffic. Ayan, directly facing the sunset. Although medyo natatakpan ang sunset. Yan tayo naglalakad araw-araw. So may mga nagwo-walking na, medyo may araw pa. Normally nagwo-walking ako after the sunset para hindi mainit. Yan, may mga nagwo-walking na. Yan tayo naglalakad. Maraming naglalakad. Pero after siguro mga 30 minutes, sobrang dami nang naglalakad. Empty space for development. Yan yung mga on my right are the schools. This place is called Sikamkam, where I live. Ayan, tour tayo. Bukid man siya, pero marami naman kalsadang magaganda. Kaya wala pang masyadong tao rito. Masarap maglakad. Ayan. Malapit na tayo. Ayan, salamat po sa pag-stay. See you tomorrow for the next video.